Dr. Bosa science, Kwano Kabeti science, Love ya Bosa science, Truth in a beta, truth in omega, truth in alpha science.
The Science Foundation College enamave ku Lwejjinja ng'oyingira kilomita emu. Somero lya Dene Boarding eri abawala n'abalenzi. Ku O-level tusomesa arts ne sciences ate A-level tusomesa sciences zokka. Omwana mulete ku The Science Foundation College. Ffe tusinga okusomesa sciences. Okumanya ebisingawo kuba ku 0753 8 27 09. The Science Foundation College, based on sciences and based for sciences.
Dr. Bosa is a teacher at the Science Foundation College, the best school that teaches sciences. At A-level, we teach sciences only. At O-level, we teach arts and sciences. Today, we are going to study copper is the 9-if transition element. Electronic configuration is argon 3D10 4s1. For copper, there is the rearrangement. A 3D full orbital is more stable than less than full orbital. So instead of 3D9 4s2, you will have 3D10 4s1. Characteristic as a transition element forms colored ions. For example, copper 2 ions are blue. B has variable oxidation states. Copper forms compounds with oxidation state +1 and +2. B forms complexes, for example, tetraamine, copper 2 ions, and then copper has got catalytic properties. For example, copper sulfate is a catalyst in the preparation of hydrogen from sulfuric acid and zinc. Extraction of copper. The main ores are copper pyrite, which is copper iron sulfide, copper glance, which is copper sulfide, and then cuprite, which is copper 1 oxide. 1. Concentration of the ore by flotation method. Normally 1. The powdered ore is mixed with water containing a frothing agent. 2. Air is blown through the mixture. The ore rises in the froth and skimmed picked off. Anti-frothing agent is added to break up the froth. The concentrated ore is dried. When you break up the froth, the ore will settle and then dry it. 2. Roasting. The ore is roasted in limited air to convert iron impurities into iron 2 oxide. Then cuprite plus oxygen, you get copper sulfide, sulfur dioxide, which escapes as a gas, and then iron 2 oxide. Step 3, silicon dioxide is added to remove iron 2 oxide. Silica is added to a mixture and heated in absence of air to convert iron 2 oxide into slag of iron 2 silicate, which is poured away. So iron 2 oxide plus silica heat will give you iron 2 silicate, which is slag. When you pour it away, you remain with copper sulfide. Step 4. Copper sulfide is reduced to copper by heating in a controlled amount of air. Copper sulfide plus oxygen, you get copper and sulfur dioxide. 5. Copper is purified by electrolysis. The anode is made of impure copper, which dissolves by ionizing, and then the cathode is made of pure copper, where copper from the anode is deposited on the cathode. So copper plus 2 electron, you get copper at the cathode. The electrolyte is copper 2 sulfate. Extraction of copper has got historical importance in Uganda because it led to building of the first hydroelectricity dam. Chemical properties of copper. Copper does not react with water, sodium hydroxide or dilute acids. It reacts with oxygen and halogens to form an oxide and halides. Copper plus oxygen, you get copper 2 oxide. Copper plus chlorine, you get copper 2 chloride. The reaction is concentrated hydrochloric acid. It is surprising that copper displaces hydrogen from concentrated hydrochloric acid. So copper plus acid, you get a complex acid plus hydrogen. Feeling the action is concentrated sulfuric acid. It forms copper 2 sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and water. Copper is oxidized by sulfuric acid to copper 2 sulfate, sulfur dioxide, and water. Feeling reaction is nitric acid. Copper does not react with very dilute nitric acid. 2 with 50% nitric acid forms copper nitrate, nitrogen monoxide, and water. Copper plus nitric acid, you get copper nitrate, nitrogen monoxide, and water. Make sure you write a balanced equation with the correct status symbols. With the concentrated nitric acid, copper forms copper nitrate, nitrogen dioxide, and water. Copper plus concentrated nitric acid, you get copper nitrate, nitrogen dioxide, and water. Make sure you write a balanced equation with the correct status symbols. Qualitative analysis of copper to ions. With sodium hydroxide, copper forms a blue PPT insoluble in excess, which turns black on heating. So copper plus hydroxide ion, you get a blue PPT of copper 2 hydroxide. When the copper 2 hydroxide is heated, it gives you copper 2 oxide, which is black, plus water. B. With ammonia solution, copper forms a blue PPT soluble in excess, forming a deep blue solution. Copper plus hydroxide ion, you get copper hydroxide. Copper hydroxide plus excess ammonia, you get tetraamine copper 2 ions, and hydroxide ion is aqueous. C. With potassium iodide, it forms a white PPT and a brown solution. Copper plus iodine ions, you get copper iodide, which is a white PPT, and a brown solution of iodine. This reaction can be used quantitatively to determine the moles of copper by determining the moles of iodine liberated. Iodine plus sodium thiosulfate, you get iodide ions and thionate ion in a ratio 1 to 2. D. With potassium hexanoferrate 2 forms a brown PPT, copper plus hexanoferrate 2, you get a brown PPT. E. With concentrated hydrochloric acid, a blue solution turns yellow. A blue solution of aqua copper 2 ions is changed to a yellow solution of tetrachloro copper 2 ions. There's change of ligand. So if we dilute the yellow solution, it comes back to blue. So the question may be, state what is observed when the concentrated hydrochloric acid is added to copper 2 sulfate followed by water and the solution diluted. Then you will see that the blue solution will turn to yellow, then the yellow solution will turn to blue. Then they will ask you to write the relative equation. Copper plus chloride ions will get tetrachloro. Copper 2 ions plus water, and addition of water, you come back at X aqua, copper 2 ions. Zinc electron configuration is argon 4s 3d10. Properties as a transition element, forms complexes. For example, tetraamine, zinc 2 ions. Zinc oxide is a catalyst in formation of methanol from carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, in the presence of zinc oxide, you get methane. Reason is why zinc is not a true transition element. Has a full d orbital, does not form colored ions, has a single oxidation state of positive 2. Extraction of zinc. The main ores are zinc blende, zinc sulfide, or calamine, zinc carbonate. The ore is concentrated by flotation method like copper. The powdered ore is mixed with water containing a frothing agent. Air is blown through the mixture. The ore rises in the froth and skimmed off. The apparent materials sink. Then the anti-frothing agent is added to break up the froth, and the ore is dried. 2. Roasting. The concentrated ore is roasted in air to convert it into an oxide. Zinc blende plus oxygen, you get zinc oxide plus sulfur dioxide. 3. Reduction. Zinc oxide is reduced by coke to zinc. Zinc plus carbon, you get zinc plus carbon monoxide. Then zinc is purified by distillation. Chemical properties of zinc: reacts with air to form zinc oxide. Zinc plus oxygen, you get zinc oxide. Free zinc plus nitrogen gas, you get zinc nitride. filling does not react with water but reacts with steam to form zinc oxide. Zinc plus water in the form of a gas, steam, you get zinc oxide plus hydrogen gas. 4. Reacts with dilute acids to form salts. So zinc salt plus hydrogen ions aqueous, we get zinc 2 plus hydrogen gas. 5. Reacts with conch sulfuric acid forming zinc sulfate, sulfur dioxide and water. So zinc plus 2 and water. Reacts with conch sodium hydroxide to form a zincate 2 ions. 7. It displaces copper and iron from its salts. Copper 2 ions plus zinc, you get zinc 2 ions plus copper. So a blue solution turns colorless with the formation of a brown PPT. So this is blue, colorless, brown solid. Quantitative analysis of zinc ions. 1. Forms white PPT with sodium hydroxide, soluble in excess. Zinc plus hydroxide ion, you get a white PPT of zinc hydroxide, which dissolves in excess hydroxide ions to form a complex. Forms a white PPT with ammonia, soluble in excess. Zinc plus hydroxide ion, you get a white PPT of zinc hydroxide, then zinc hydroxide, white PPT plus excess ammonia, you get tetraamine zinc 2 ions and hydroxide ions aqueous. Thank you very much. You can get other videos of other transition elements from YouTube. Search Bosa Science or from digitalteachers.co.ug. Omutima kwe guteeterera azalibwa bakungu yakuzibwa bulungi atambula bulungi oba kiriba kitya ng'ono nsuula naye nga tulya naye oba muyaga gutya oba buzibu butya ono tufa naye ono yabasinga yono yeye omutima kwe guteeterera bulamu kwe butambulira oba butiti butya oba kwaka kutya ono ndifa naye era ndiba naye mubalungi gwe nnonze mubalungi gwe nfiira mubalagavu mulungi